Hey guys, again. Alright, so I am doing one more unboxing. This is the 98 mystery box through Colorpop, or the $98 mystery box, yeah, whatever. This is the Mega mystery. Alright, so here is all the stuff, and I'm going to show you all. There's a lot of stuff. Up close and personal. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to pull out is a Super Shock blush. That's really dark. I don't know about that. Probably, maybe a, like, I don't know, shadow? Oh, maybe. Maybe a blush will be okay. I don't know. That's pretty though. I mean, right? So, first product already in the books. This one is called Cheerio. Cheerio. Alright, cool. Take that off because I feel like I'm going to be doing a lot of swatches. Alright, the next thing I'm going to be doing is liquid liner. I'm not really a big fan of liquid liners. This is a yellow liquid liner, it looks like. This is the color Make Love here. I mean, it's interesting. I mean, we're going to go to make it interesting, right? I mean, ooh, medium fluff brush. I could always use brushes. Yes! Alright, so, oh, that's so cute. Look at that. Probably would use it for like a highlighter mostly, but it's a really cute brush. Put that right there. Glitter. Why do they do this? So it's a glitter single shadow. Pressed glitter. Like why do cosmetic companies decide just to do, oh yeah, we're gonna torture these people's eyeballs and put glitter. I mean, it's pretty, but it's just so annoying. I don't see how, like, now my hand's gonna be all glittery for days, it seems like. I'm putting trash right next to me. Alright, so the next thing is So Juicy. This one is called All Talk. Yes, I'm going to be keeping pretty much all these products just because, as far as I know, there's products that I don't even have. So, All Talk, let's put some on. Ooh, this one is also plumping as well. That's cool. Alright, next product is Ultra Glossy. I'm not putting any more lips on. Ooh, that's an interesting, like, here's the shade. It's like a bristle. That's cool. Alright, avocado body milk. Is this like lotion? Yeah. Oh, no, I don't know. I'm not opening it because I don't know what it is. Lightweight doily, or doily, daily. That's not cute. Daily moisture. It replenishes and hydrates. So is this lotion? Body. I think it's like a body lotion thing. It's like a refreshing. Oh, I'll pick that up. So I think it's pretty much a lightweight moisturizer. It smells good. I like it. Next thing, another face milk. Strawberry papaya. Cool. Another shimmering dry oil. This is in sterling silver. Would have been bad. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Ooh, that one smells good. It smells like coconuts. Now I'm like all. Oh. Did not think about that. Okay. Cool. Next thing, I actually have the eyeshadow palette for this this collection. I just didn't get the whole collection. This is the another face milk. Face milk, but like this collection right here, I have the eyeshadow palette. I just don't have the entire collection. If that's what they offer, I don't know. Smells good. That's another face milk thing. Has some good skincare in here. Another mascara, which I will save. A lippy stick in the shade called Poison. That's the color. Oh, that is a raid. That's really pretty. Alright. The next one is a cream gel liner. And called Boots. That's cute. That is bright pink. Oh my gosh. So much stuff. Here's another lippy pencil. This one looks like a repeat, but it's whatever. It's right there. This shade is called Little One. Ultra glossy. And it's right there. It's like a really clear lip gloss. Another pressed powder, and should get a Z palette. Playing games. That's what the shade looks like. It's like a fall color, like a pumpkin shade. Seems nice. Okay. This is Blue Light Protection Serum Boost. So I got a serum. No smell, or at least not really. That's cool. This is a cream gel color in the color Stardust. And oh my god. Let's get it. Not really pigmented. Sorry, bug. But I mean, I'll definitely give it a try. A lot of these products I will definitely be trying very soon. I just have a lot that I have and a lot to do. This is a Super Shock Shadow that I just grabbed out of my box. And this is the color called Birthday Wish. Birthday Wish. Oh wow, that's so pretty. Probably use it as a highlighter. That's really pretty. I do have a lot of Colourpop. A lot of the stuff that I'm getting, I don't have. So, yeah. Alright, that was hard. I don't know why that was hard. This is another Super Shot. Oh no. This is a gel. Shoot. I just flopped it on my hand. It's okay. This is shade Sangurero. It's really pretty. I'm going to be very glittery. Alright, 3 more things. Oh, I think I got in all the 3 eyeshadow palette, or the rest of the collection of the Animal Crossing. So here's the pink one, super cute. This is a really cute, yeah. That's really cute. I like that. I like that a lot. It's going to be very glittery. The orange one, I'm going to put, actually no. What a hoot. That's really cute. Oh my gosh. That's so cute, you guys. Oh, I'm not a big fan of the glitter formula, but you know, it's okay. Alright, here's the shades. I will get them swatched. It's really cute. I like it. But just not the glitter. Definitely not the glitter. I'm excited to give those a try. I mean, not really the glitter, but I'm excited to give it a try. Alright, the last one is bell with a ball. I think yeah. So it is a repeat. So I know I have a giveaway getting like um, I already have a giveaway going on right now, but I'm putting one together very soon. So I'm just going to put this in there and I'll show you guys mine. So here it is. I'll swatch it again for you all. I think it was in the 49 box. I don't remember. But there it is. So, yeah. Yeah, I do have a giveaway starting, or I'm building it up. I don't have it ready yet, but I will show you all like very soon on like what I'm going to be doing. So, I don't know when it's going to be announced. I don't know when it's going to be up, but it will be there. Um, so please, if you guys do not mind, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I really feel like I got lipstick on my teeth. I would really appreciate it, and let me know if you guys have any questions, and I hope to see y'all soon. Bye, guys.